Hey everybody, it's Thursday. I'm back at work at my pine tongue and groove in the kitchen. Hope to get that one wall finished today and get the coverage back up because Alicia's coming. Today's Wednesday. Okay. Today's Wednesday. Hey everybody. Hey everybody, today's Wednesday. I want the kitchen to be kind of in one piece when Alicia gets here on Friday. And I just don't want to be in the middle of stuff. I don't want to tear things apart and not be finished by Friday. And I think Friday's going to be mostly shot as a working day because I'm taking the ATV over to the Wizard to get the rest of the repairs done. And then I got to do some grocery shopping and some other crap. Yeah, so I did a little bit of work yesterday. I didn't film it all because sometimes I just want to work and not worry about the camera, you know what I mean? Just kind of, and I get into a mode where I just, measure, cut, go in, hammer, measure, and it's just back and forth, and I just kind of lose myself in it, which is kind of nice. But today I'll do a bit more filming. I didn't get too far yesterday. Why not? I don't remember. I guess I started late and then I ran out of light is what happened. Anyway, before I get into this, I just want to say a couple of nights ago I live streamed on my live stream channel, the Books Fest channel. I guess it was Monday night. Not a whole lot of people there. I guess there was about 15, 16 people there watching. And something really special happened. And I just want to say thank you to the people that were there and who are just really awesome. I don't want to name you because I'm not sure if you want to be named right now. But you guys are the best, right? My subscribers are the best. I love all you guys. I really do. But yeah, I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you, because you really don't know how much I'm not good at saying. I'm not good at doing things like this, but yeah, you don't know how much that sort of thing means to me. I'm lost for words at the moment, but anyway, thank you. You guys are the best. I love you all, and I love all my subscribers. I just wanted to say that. Anyway, let's get back to work before I start crying or something. Let's see, I can't remember the day. It might have been Sunday that I put the countertop back in place and hooked up the sink again. I think it was. So, or maybe it was Monday. I don't know. Anyway, it was yesterday that I worked the pine up alongside the plywood here. Here was really tricky. Right, if I want the pine to match up from the other side over top of the sliding door, then this has to be at the same height as the stuff that I've done over there, which means I had to do a cut here. And I was really worried about it. Like a table saw would have been the place to do a cut like this, but I have a table saw. It's in pieces. It might take me a while to set up, and even then, I don't know where I don't have anywhere to put it right now. So I just made this cut with a skill saw, and the same on the other side, because this has to match up over top of the window, just like it has to match up over top of the sliding door over there. So very carefully cut both sides of this, and it didn't actually turn out too bad. And at some point I'll put some silicone under there, and on the other side, just to kind of make it nice. So I've done up this side a little bit, I've done up this side, and I'm kind of coming across over top of the window. I'm not sure how well you can see it. And I've left this piece not nailed in, so that when I put the other piece over here over top of the window, I can kind of jimmy them and match them up. And I'm going to have to do the same thing over the sliding door. So it's kind of funny. So this next piece I'm going to put up here is going to go across to the middle of the sliding door, and then another piece is going to come over from the other side to the middle, and I'll do a jimmy. And then the next piece I cut up here, I'll do the same thing here. Anyways. So a couple of tricky points. They've got to be close. If they're close, like within, say, ½ an inch, I can just kind of push one up and bring one down until they match. And, the pieces above it might look a little strange, but hopefully they'll look okay. Anyway. I'm doing this one next. you kidding me? Ugh. Yeah. Right. Garbage. So I ruined another piece. 2 pieces I ruined in total before getting this one. Hopefully this one is right. Oh my god, what the hell? This one is definitely not right. Oh, no, that's really off. Okay, shit. But the board isn't ruined. It's just cut in the wrong spot somehow. That doesn't make any sense. Totally cut in the wrong spot. No idea why. And that's where I want to cut it right there. How many times have I cut trying to make this board here? I almost screwed up this one too because I made the pencil marks on the wrong side. You always got to do it on the back side so they don't show. In fact, I did make a couple of marks here, but I was able to erase them. Ooh, that's a little... Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's perfect. It's perfect. Nice job. Oh, not quite so perfect. Okay. I wish I hadn't cut that a little less. Anyway. It's in marks on the countertop. It looks like somebody was doing shots here or something. When was somebody doing shots, Russell? It might have been Monday night. Why were you doing shots, Russell? Missed! Oh, nuts. One also missed. No. No. This one doesn't make it. Alright. Well, here's what I got done. Over to here, that last board is not quite up there. And while I was nailing that last board up there, I got... These are the nails that came with the gun that I bought off Amazon. Just starting to use them. I was using some nails that I bought at the store, I believe. Or is it the other way around? I don't know. Anyway, I got a couple of nails jammed in there. I managed to get one out, but the last one's jammed in there so tight I can't get it out, and I've ended up breaking the nail several times until there's just a nub there. And I don't see how I'm going to get it out. And I've probably ruined the gun anyway, just by, getting in there with the vice grips and the screwdriver trying to get it. But I don't have any further tools that are going to help me with this. So I think I'm done for the moment, which is a shame. I have to think about what to do now. What I'm hoping is, at the very least, I can get these cupboards back up there, but I don't think so. Let's measure them right now. Oops. 30 inches. Oh yeah, again, just barely. The cupboards come to the bottom of this piece right here. That was on purpose, right? I wanted the plywood to come up to the bottom of the cupboard. And 30 inches is right there. Halfway up that last piece. So that means I can put the cupboards back up and then finish the pine afterwards. Whew. Well, that's good. Anyway, I start to clean up this mess now. I think what I'll do is I'll take my nail gun over to Yoss, because he's got so many more tools over there, and he might have a better idea how to get that out. And I'm going Friday. Today's Wednesday. 2 days. Rats. I guess I'm done for today because it's 4:20. 4:20 p.m. So says the clock on the oven. Alright. Cleanup time. Tons to clean up. Screws. Yeah, I do not remember how I got these up there the first time. Yeah. But I got an idea. I'm gonna cheat. It means putting another hole in my plywood, but that'll eventually be covered up anyway. This is asking for trouble. I think the first time I did this, I put up the cupboards before the countertop was here, which would have made it a little bit easier, or possibly harder. I don't know yet. Pretty easy with that 2x4 under there. So just as I forgot to turn the camera on when I was taking it down, I forgot to turn it on when I was putting it back up. But it was something like... with the door open. Ooh. Ooh. Something like that. It just occurred to me now. It didn't occur to me before. But this will have to come back down again when I go to do this other wall over here. I don't know why that didn't occur to me. I thought once I get these cupboards back up, that'll be it. And that is like perfect right there. I'm not quite done yet. I haven't put the stuff back in this cupboard. Really tired for some reason. Just very suddenly came on and hit me. Anyway, I'm going to call that an end to this video. I'm not going to get any more done on the walls or the insulation until next week sometime. Tomorrow I'll probably finish up a few things here, get cleaned up, and then for the rest of the day I'll bring in firewood. It was supposed to rain tomorrow, but now it's looking like it's going to be partly sunny, which is alright. So, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Appreciate it. Finish putting this stuff back in here, and I'm going to think about dinner. I'm not sure what I'm going to have. Something simple, right? Anyway, take care, everybody. Beautiful outside. I'll give you a final shot of